Welcome to our channel Learn Material Test. Today, we will learn about microstructure examination of low-carbon steel. In mobilized condition, stay with us in the video. First of all, we will grind the cut sample so that the surface becomes even. We will do this grinding on 60 grid grain paper. After that, we will polish the sample on fine paper ranging from 220 grit to 1,500 grit. After that, we will do the final polishing of the sample on velvet cloth. For velvet cloth polishing, we will take alumina paste. After the polishing is complete, we will do the etching. For low alloy material, we will take 2% Nital solution, which will contain 98% ethanol and 2% nitric acid. Apply this solution on the surface with the help of cotton. When the surface of the sample starts to look light brown, we will wash the sample with water and dry it. Now, we will put the sample on the microscope and examine it at different magnifications. Structure of the tested sample to be verified and then generate test certificate as per the observation. Please subscribe, like and share this video. We will come again with the more informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.